Good day, everyone. In this lesson, we will explore the concept of slope. Before we dive into graphs and equations, let us first look around us. Have you ever noticed how roads go uphill, how ramps make it simple to move, or how rooftops are tilted? All of this shows something we call slope. The slope simply describes how steep something is and the direction it goes, whether it rises, falls, or stays flat. In this lesson, we will learn how to find the slope of a line and understand what it tells us about the line's behavior.
To make our learning more visual and interactive, we will be using GeoGebra. GeoGebra, an illuminating math tool that shed light on complex concepts. Its immersive nature let us draw, move, and explore graph easily. With GeoGebra, we can plot points and lines on the coordinate plane instantly and calculate the slope and observe how the slope changes as we move points around.
First, we will open the GeoGebra application. On the upper left side of the interface, we can see the Algebra, Tools, Table, and the Spreadsheet button. For this activity, we will be using the Tool button. GeoGebra's tools can be used to find measurements, create sliders, add media, perform constructions and transformations, draw lines and circles, and much more. However, for now, we will focus on the line tool. By selecting it, we can plot points on the coordinate plane and line will automatically connect those points. Let's have an example. First, let's plot the point A, which is 2 and 0, and point B, which is 0 and negative 3. And using the formula of m or slope, which is the rise over run, is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Substituting the value of x's and y, we get 3 minus 0 all over 0 minus 2 is equal to 3 halves. Let's have another example. Point A is 2 and 2 and point B is negative 4 and 0. Again, using the formula of slope, substituting the value of x and y's, we will be getting 0 minus 2 all over negative 4 minus 2 is equal to positive 2 sixths or positive 1 third. Let us try another example. What if point A is negative 2 and positive 2 and point B is 5 and positive 2? Substituting the value of x and y's, we will be getting 2 minus 2 all over 5 minus negative 2, which is equal to 0 over 7 or 0 because 0 divided by any number is 0. Let us have our last example for today. Let us plot the point A, 1 and 3, and 1 and negative 1. So again, using the formula for our slope, we will be getting negative 1 minus 3 all over 1 minus 1, which is equal to negative 4 all over 0, which is undefined.
Let's summarize what we learned today. Slope tells us how steep a line is and which direction it goes. We can find it using the formula m is equal to the quantity of y's of 2 minus y's of 1 all over x of 2 minus x of 1. There are four types of slope. A positive slope rises upward. A negative slope goes downward. Zero slope is flat and an undefined slope goes straight up or down. Tools like GeoGebra help us visualize and experiment with these ideas easily. Understanding slope help us describe motion, design structures, and make sense of changes, both in math and in the real life. And that's it. Thank you for learning with us today.